Thanks so much, Crash. The man suspected of killing a high school teacher and American Beauty queen in South Georgia is scheduled to appear in court today. Naima Abdullahi is in the newsroom with what we can expect today. Naima?
Right, and Francesca, this is a story we've been following. Ryan Duke is charged with murder in the disappearance of Tara Grinstead in Ocilla, Georgia about 13 years ago. Now, today's hearing in Irwin County will look at whether a change of venue is necessary and whether too much time has passed since Grinstead went missing to try Duke for murder. Now, authorities arrested Duke last year when the GBI announced a break in the case. He was arrested and charged for the 2005 murder. Duke attended Irwin County High School, where Grinstead was a school teacher. Now, on the other side, Duke's lawyers argue that because there's intense interest in the case, they're working hard to protect his right to a fair trial, which is why they're requesting a change of